Hello everyone. Today this video covers on how to set up a billing alarm within Amazon Web Services Management Console. With that said, let's just jump right away. I'm just gonna log into my root account and then just gonna search for the service CloudWatch. So CloudWatch is one of the services within Amazon Web Services that allows you to monitor resources and applications. And the main topic today is about the billing. There are some certain scenarios where administrator would like to get notifications if the billing or estimated charges within AWS reach a certain threshold, or there might be some budget constraints that you'd like to just get notified ahead with this type of service available. So we will be creating an alarm within the CloudWatch by creating a new SNS topic. SNS topic is nothing but simple notification service topic. Uh, so it's just gonna allow you to send out an email notification when that specific threshold was met within uh, within with the utilized resources. So I'm just gonna really quick create an alarm. So this way, as you're seeing here, it's more about the namespace is about billing metric, and the metric name basically was given as estimated charges by default. The currency is USD, statistic is maximum, and the period that it's going to check for is 6 hours. So it's just going to check every 6 hours and see if that specific threshold was met, and then if so, then it's just going to send out an email. I'm just going to set it for 1 day. I'm just going to set it for 1 hour as a testing purpose. And then the threshold type is static. So let's say I'd like to get a notification if the USD dollar value of estimated charges is going to exceed more than $10 uh, for the matter, as an example. So I'm just going to type in 10 here. So this way, the threshold value is 10. If the estimated charges is greater than um, the threshold, which is basically $10, then I'd like to get a notification, right? So with that said, I'm just going to click on next. So in here, as a notification, I'd like to send out an email. So for that, I'm just going to create a new topic under SNS. I'm just going to name it as, billing. And then I'm just going to, in here, add an email address. So whenever the threshold is met, you're going to get an email notification. For example's sake, I'm just going to take a temporary email. I'm just going to copy this email. It's basically temp-mail.org. So that's going to help you to use a disposable email if you like to use. And I'm just going to real quick paste that, and then click on create topic. So this way, um, this specific endpoint, this test email is just going to get notification whenever the threshold is met. So just gonna real quick refresh here. I'm just gonna go back to the mail page, and I see already an email with subject Amazon Web Services notification dash subscription confirmation. I'm just gonna click here, view. So this way it's gonna help me confirm the subscription. And as you see here, you are subscribed to this specific topic billing and your subscription ID, just to confirm that this specific service can send notification to that respective email ID. So that said, I'm just going to click on next here, and then I'm just going to click on billing alarm. Send notification to email if the USD value exceeds 10, and then I'm just going to click on next. So that said, I'm just going to real quick create the alarm. With that said, as you see here, the CloudWatch created an alarm as billing alarm, and you see here that it's an insufficient data because I just created the alarm. It might take a bit time. Maybe what is the time period that is specified, which is basically 1 hour. It's just going to check every single hour, uh, and then if the threshold, which is basically $10 is exceeded, then you basically get an email, right? So I'm just going to refresh here real quick. As you see here, this insufficient will go to OK once it has enough data under this specific alarm, as it's just going to monitor the metrics. So that is all. So that's how you create a billing alarm within AWS. So this is going to help you better understand the usage, better understand if any budget constraints that you may have got, better understand if any specific threshold is met, which means that either the resources are being wasted or being overutilized for any amount that you specify um, within within your AWS environment. With that said, I'd like to end this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now.